The human brain is not developed till the age of 25. So if you are in stock markets before the age of 25, my friend, you are in big danger. Hi guys, my name is Harsh Goyla and I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets. Now, what I said is right. If you are someone who's below the age of 25 and you are in stock markets, you are in dangerous territory. Talking from personal experience, I have been in stock markets since I was 14 years old. Right? So, if you have heard, listened to my TEDx talk or any other talk I give you on any platform, मैं हमेशा उसमें ये story share करता हूँ, and which is true, right? That बचपन में I used to do stock markets. I remember in my 10th grade, right? So in my 10th grade, summer holidays का book review होता है, उसमें I wrote a book review on Rich Dad Poor Dad, and obviously my teacher could not understand it, she could not comprehend it, and she completely rejected it. When I was in, I think, 7th or 8th, I wrote a small thing on stock markets and how to buy and sell shares, and again, तो Instagram page में मैंने उसको डाला है, you can check it out. So the point is that I have been well past before the age of 25 in stock markets, and I know the difficulties that will come. Life is not easy, it will be very difficult, and today I'm going to share 5 points which you have to make sure that you follow them, that they are very essential if you are below the age of 25 and if you want to survive in stock markets, if you want to be successful. So please follow these 5 points. Point number 1, arrogance. Dost, if you are below the age of 25, let me tell you something. You are arrogant. You are arrogant. And it's not your fault. Human beings are biologically and psychologically designed this way that before the age of 25, they will always be arrogant. Now, इसको मैं पूरा behavioral finance में समझाता हूँ in a course. Of course, right now I don't have that enough space of time. तो simple आपको एक फंडा समझाऊँ. आप खुद देखोगे, if someone is below the age of 25, no, he would never want to talk to his parents. मतलब parents का phone आ गया is the last thing he wants, right? But दोस्तों का phone सबसे पहले. Now, look at someone who nears 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. People of this age, na, they only want to spend time with their parents. Only want to spend time with their parents. Because as you, till the age of 25, you will feel your parents know nothing. अरे पापा क्या आता है आपको please? And as you near 30 and cross 30, you realize that they are right. So, इसलिए आप देखोगे हमेशा person in that age group will always give more time and priority to parents. Right? So, we are arrogant. That's our nature. Now, मुझे कितने 25-year-olds मिलते हैं? हर्ष, यार 25-year-olds नीचे. हर्ष, मुझे सिर्फ टेक्निकल एनालिसिस करना है. सर, आई एम इंट्राडे ट्रेडर. फंडामेंटल्स बकवास है. कोई मुझे बोलेगा, हर्ष, टेक्निकल ट्रेडर्स आर गैम्बलर्स, नथिंग एल्स. कुछ फायदा नहीं है इनका. Somebody else will tell me, sir, देखो मुझे तो बस स्टॉक मार्केट से दूर रहना है. स्टॉक मार्केट इज अ गैम्बल. जुआ है तो सट्टा है. If you feel that you know everything till the age of 25, and I'm sure you must feel this way, और बाकी सब बेवकूफ हैं, तो दोस्त, please remind yourself again that you are arrogant. It's in your nature. It is not your fault. It is not your fault. So please, don't be just stuck onto one thing कि नहीं भाई यही सही है. नहीं. Don't think if you've done technical analysis की एक दो strategies or fundamentals की दो strategies that you have understood the markets. Do not think that. I am not trying to offend you here. I'm trying to tell you this very honestly because लोग फंस जाते हैं इसमें यार. बहुत बुरा वाला फंस जाते हैं. और वाइप आउट ऐसे हो जाएंगे पता भी नहीं चलेगा. Right? Point number 1. Arrogance. Point number 2. Explore everything. Now, आजकल है क्या? Our world is such, no? We want to find a passion right now. I find 17-year-olds, 18-year-olds मुझे free guidance में मेल लिखने, sir passion नहीं मिल रहा, हम क्या करें? We are depressed and they are tense. They are actually tense about it. But listen to this. If you tell me that you have found your passion before the age of 25, it is something like telling me जो आपका स्कूल में सबसे पहला crush था, your high school crush is your true love. क्या बात कर रहे हो? Yes, it can be the case, but what is the probability? Very, very, very less. So before the age of 25, there's a very interesting concept called passion versus fascination, right? अब होता क्या है, you can't differentiate between them. Now, if you ask me, व्हेन आई वाज इन 12th, पूरे टाइम मैं ईयरफोन लगा रखे थे, राइट. आई यूज्ड टू लिसन टू दिस वन स्पेसिफिक आर्टिस्ट एंड आई ऑलवेज वांट टू बिकम अ गिटारिस्ट, राइट. आई यूज्ड टू पिक्चर में सेट कि अच्छा मैं गिटार बजा रहा हूँ, उसके गाने गा रहा हूँ. सो ऑफ कोर्स 12th के बाद जब मैं कॉलेज गया था, जब मुझे बाद टाइम मिला, तो आई स्टार्टेड माई गिटार क्लासेस. गिटार खरीद लिया मैंने. डू यू थिंक मैं कर पाया? नहीं. बिकॉज playing guitar was not my passion, it was my fascination. I did not like guitar, I did not like the art of playing guitar. I liked to be like that singer or that artist. Same, a lot of people say I love acting. They don't love acting, they love Shah Rukh Khan. So in stock market, when you say stock market में passion, कितने लोग मुझे बोलेंगे सर stock market ही मेरा passion है. दोस्त, probability is stock market is not your passion. You like the lifestyle of stock market कि वहाँ पे पैसे हैं हर जगह stock markets में and you are rich because it showed in movies that way, right? तो उसको ध्यान रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So explore everything. When you're doing stock market, no, try your hand in business also. Try a job. Do well in studies. Don't just say कि भाई मैं तो यही करूँगा और कुछ करूँगा ही नहीं. Because that, my friend, I'm sorry again, that is stupid. You need to explore everything and then choose what you want. ये मैं सबको advice देता हूँ. So before 25, if you're telling me stock markets is my passion and this and that, नहीं है. It can be easily your fascination और हम differentiate तभी कर पाएंगे when we have experienced it. Right? Point number 3. Don't just settle on one person. Point number 3 is don't simply settle on one person. अब ये एक और चीज़ है. Now, many of you, if you are below the age of 25, if you have maybe a person you respect, maybe your teacher, maybe your friend, maybe your colleague, anyone who you respect, and if he tells you something, और आप मानते हो हाँ यही सही है बॉस और कुछ सही नहीं है, यही सही है, तो दोस्त फिर से दिस इज आपकी बेवकूफ़ी, उसको मैं खिलाऊंगा. क्यों? और ये मेरे साथ भी है. If you just listen to my videos and you think no, Harsh is right, he's the best, he's the only person who knows everything, my friend, I'm sorry, this will be your immaturity. You need to talk to everyone. Opinionated अभी मत हो जाना. You need to talk to everyone because stock market economics है क्या? It's a game of opinions, right? जो भी मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ to a very little extent मेरा bias और मेरा opinion उसमें आएगा ही आएगा. And my bias and my opinion is based on my experience. पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस आपका बहुत डिफरेंट है, मेरा बहुत डिफरेंट है, राइट? सो यू नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन्स ओपिनियन, व्हाट इज देयर लॉजिक, एंड देन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट शुड बी योर स्टैंड. सो डोंट जस्ट सेटल ऑन वन पर्सन. फॉलो लॉट ऑफ पीपल, टॉक टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. अगर किसी ने बोल दिया टेक्निकल एनालिसिस बेस्ट है तो उसके पीछे मत पड़ जाओ पूरे टाइम कि टेक्निकल बेस्ट है. किसी ने बोला फंडामेंटल बेस्ट है तो सेम, डोंट डू इट, डोंट जस्ट रन आफ्टर हिम. लिसन टू दैट पर्सन ऑल्सो एंड दैट पर्सन ऑल्सो. Try both of them. Point number 4. Focus on learning, not on earning. अभी दोस्त, I want you to focus only on the learning aspect. Earning पे दिमाग मत डालो. I'll tell you a very simple logic behind it. If suppose आप घर आए and you realize you open your wallet, आपका 10 रुपए का नोट खो गया. You've lost your 10 rupee note. How would that make you feel? It will pinch, it will bother you, but after 10-20 minutes you'll forget about it, right? First situation. Now in the second situation, you lose a 2000 rupee note. तब क्या करोगे? तब देखोगे, पूरा घर देखोगे, you will get up and you will retrace the entire way. मैं यहाँ था, मैं यहाँ से यहाँ आया, फिर मैं यहाँ से यहाँ चल के गया, and you will try to find that note. Am I right or am I right? Now when you think logically, in both situations where you lost 10 rupees and 2000 rupees, money is being lost, but reaction changes on the amount of money. Now if before 25 you put in a lot of money in stock markets, you put in a lot of you make a very big portfolio, तो होगा क्या? जब that big portfolio corrects and even comes down by 2, 3 or 5 or 10%, would your reaction be okay, let me follow my strategy, or oh my god what has happened, सब बेच दो? क्या होगा? इसलिए greed and fear will come into the picture. That is why I always prefer, always have a small portfolio. I always tell my students, दोस्त 5-10,000 वाला portfolio की जरूरत ही नहीं, उल्टा 10,000 तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. A portfolio even 4-5,000 is good enough. Buy one share. Again, paper trading will not work. You will have to buy those shares. तभी you will experience the markets, but only buy 1 or 2 shares at a time. Focus on your learning first. Below 25, I know so many people who invest big amounts, and देखो क्या हालत हो जाती है, right? So please be sure that your focus is on learning, not on earning. Now, point number 5, last but not the least, and the most crucial of the point, be aware. दोस्त, please be aware. मैं आपसे हाथ जोड़ के विनती कर रहा हूँ, please be aware. There are people on social media, on Instagram, and a lot of other platforms. I'm not going to name them. I'm not going to name people. Again, सब खराब नहीं होते, but majority में लोग ऐसे ही हैं who are complete scamsters, especially in stock markets. They will convince you for the fact that they know everything in stock markets. They will दिखाएंगे देखो एक trade, 2 trade, they ये profit, वो profit, and they'll have pictures with big cars and a lot of girls around, and you will be convinced for the fact कि हाँ हर्ष ये best है, मैं इसको पैसे portfolio management के दे रहा हूँ. Please be aware of such kind of people. Right now, like my Baba used to tell me that Harsh, your biggest maturity is to understand that you are immature. Your biggest maturity is to understand that you are immature. My Baba told me this when I was 22. आप 25 के below हो अगर, तो your biggest maturity is the fact that you need to understand that आपका brain अभी fully developed नहीं हुआ है. So yes, you are arrogant, you will take immature decisions, which is fine. But please, पैसों के मामले में, stock markets के मामले में इसको मत लो, because if you follow such kind of people and you fall in these people's trap, no, you will be the one who will be cursing stock markets and telling other people ये जुआ है, इस पे इन्वेस्ट मत कर देना, stock market तो बहुत बड़ा जुआ है, हम तो बहुत काम किया है stock market में, जुआ है. Please don't do that. When you follow someone, when you're taking tip from someone, please realize उसकी credibility क्या है. What are the media articles printed about him? See his content. Since how long is he doing it? मतलब do entire credibility check on him. Just because वो Instagram में and उसने 5-6 या फिर लगा लो if he sent 15-20 posts that he's made profit, do not believe him. The key in stock markets is not to make a massive profit. That is still easy. The key in stock markets is to make a massive profit consistently. वहां पे भाई वॉरेन बफेट, चार्ली मंगर, पीटर लिंच जैसे पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजर्स नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, इन्वेस्टर्स नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, और यहाँ पे इंस्टाग्राम पे लोग कर रहे हैं. क्या कुछ तो सोचो ना यार. मेरे स्टूडेंट्स मेरे पास आते हैं बोल के, जो पुराने स्टूडेंट्स, सर ये स्ट्रैटेजी है, इसमें ये बंदा है, इसने ऐसे सब पोस्ट कर रखा है और बहुत स्मार्ट लग रहा है, इन्वेस्ट कर देते हैं, पैसे डाल देते हैं. क्या बोल रहे हो यार, कुछ तो सोचो. Again, don't just judge him कि अच्छा ये तो झूठा ही है or that person, but please be aware, do a credibility check on them. Please be aware, do a credibility check on them. Below the age of 25, yes, you will think नहीं he is right, because हमारा brain ही ऐसा structured है यार कि तुम ना हो जाओगे attract. I am telling you this because I have walked the same path you are about to walk. The same situation, the same jungle you're going to go through, me and Aditya have already walked through that. And that is why I'm telling you this, with my experience and with all the questions I get from my students all the time. So please, if you're below the age of 25, please make sure these 5 points. First, arrogance. Second, explore everything. Third, don't settle for one person. Fourth, focus on learning, not on earning. And fifth, be aware of such people. बहुत ज़रूरी है, right? So yes, if you're not below 25, then share this video with people so that people can be saved and we have less people abusing the market. You already बहुत हो चुके हैं, right? And if you're someone who is below the age of 25, then again, please share this video with your friends and understand each and every point. कुछ पॉइंट आपको लगता है हर्ष तुम गलत हो यार, कुछ पॉइंट लगता है हर्ष दिस हैपेंड विद मी, you're right, this, नीचे कमेंट करो और मुझे बताओ what do you think, so that even I can put a reply to that, even I can make sure to help you. But please be sure, again मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, below the age of 25, you're in stock markets, either it can make you or break you. So please be sure that you are in the right company, and the biggest maturity you can have is to realize that you are immature, क्योंकि हमारा brain ऐसा ही है. Right? So thank you so much. This was all for today. I'll see you next time. नीचे comment करना your thoughts, and till then, this is Gola School of Finance, financially empowered.